Hello and welcome. I'm glad you're here today. My name is Cherie Anderson, and I've been training tour directors, guides, and travel professionals for over 30 years through my professional tour management training program. I've also worked in the field for many years as a tour director myself, so I know firsthand the heart, the energy, and the flexibility this work requires, and how powerful it is when done well. This session is all about helping you do what you already do best, but with a little more ease and a lot less stress. Whether you're leading tours, planning trips, handling guest communications, or creating marketing content, AI can be a helpful assistant behind the scenes. You don't have to be a techie to use it, and you definitely don't have to change your personality or lose your human touch. This is about giving you a head start. The prompts I'll be sharing today are designed to save you time, spark ideas, and support you in your work while still sounding like you. So whether you're here to learn how AI can help with narration, guest emails, social media, or just want to explore something new, you're in the right place. I'm so happy you joined me, and I can't wait to show you what's possible. Let's get started. So let's say you're standing on the south rim of the Grand Canyon and you want to create a beautiful story-based narration. Just drop this prompt into ChatGPT. So I'm going to hit microphone, write a warm and engaging narration for the south rim of the Grand Canyon, including history, geology, and a personal connection. And this particular tour is done for seniors. Can also be students, family. So here's a warm story style narration, the South Rim. So I won't read all of it, but all right, folks, go ahead and take a deep breath, just not because the air is fresh and clean up here, but because what you're about to see is going to take your breath away. The Grand Canyon South Rim is one of those rare places that no picture postcard can truly capture. When you first lay eyes on it, there's often a moment of silence, not because somebody or anybody asked for quiet, but because your mind needs a second to take it all in. So we can get details from Google, which thank goodness we've had Google all these years for narration, but you'll find with ChatGPT, it gets to know you, it gets to know the type of people on your tour and how to connect with your voice with them. Now, this is going to be more my voice because it knows me by now. And then it goes on with history and share something special, something personal. So as I walk to the edge, I invite you to take your time. Let your eyes wander across the colors, the shapes, and the shadows. Let the canyon speak to you, not just its beauty, but its quiet strength. You're standing in a place where time slows down, where nature slows down, shows off. And there we remember just how lucky we are to be here. And if this is something you like, let me warn you, it will disappear. So I always do this with my Word document open, copy and paste to Word document anything I want to save. Every time I do this, it's a little bit different. If it's not what you like, don't be afraid to just keep asking chat to do it over and over. Do it in a different voice, do it in a different way, just give me another version. If this is your assistant and 24/7 assistant, and you can't wear ChatGPT out. So let's move on. Let's say you're want to send a thank you note or pre-tour welcome letter that feels personal and professional. This toolkit has prompts for that too. So we're going to say, write a friendly thank you letter from a tour director to a group of senior travelers for a 7-day Southwest National Parks tour. So I hit the microphone, I hit the check when I'm done, hit the arrow. So here's a friendly and gracious thank you. And I think this is from the tour director. Dear friends, what a wonderful week we shared together. From the sweeping red rock vistas of Sedona to the towering hoodoos of Bryce Canyon and the beauty of Zion and the breathtaking majesty of the Grand Canyon. Each day brought new memories, and each moment was made even better by your warmth, spirit, and sense of adventure. So then it goes on, and thanks for being part of the group. We know travel isn't always perfect. Thank you for your patience and flexibility. I hope you return home with beautiful photos. Thank you again for choosing to travel, for sharing this time with one another, and for letting me be part of it. Wishing you continued good health, happy memories, and many more adventures. With warmest regards. Let's try this one. Sometimes a guest has a concern, like a delayed hotel check-in. You can use AI to draft thoughtful responses that maintains professionalism and warmth. So I'll say, write a professional and understanding response to a guest who was upset about hotel check-in and delays on the group tour. Something we deal with during high season. Professional, empathetic, and understanding response. Dear guests, thank you for taking time to share your thoughts about the recent tour. I truly value your feedback and want you to know how sorry I am part of the experience fell short of your expectations. Travel is filled with wonderful moments and occasionally unexpected challenges. While I do my very best to manage every detail smoothly, I understand how disappointing it can be when something doesn't go as planned. I want to assure you that your concerns were heard and taken seriously, and I truly regret any frustration or discomfort. So when we have challenges, we apologize, we empathize, and beautiful letter. So if this sounds helpful, check out my AI toolkit. You can go to Etsy, and I put in tour guide. You can put in my name. Over in the far left, you see AI toolkit. When you click on that, you go to the ebook, 50 prompts for using ChatGPT and Claude, improve your tour content, marketing, social media, book, and more. And I wanted to show you the table of contents. I have 50 prompts, but they're just not random. I tried to give you 50 of the strongest, the best prompts that we can use in our industry. So I have 10 sections. I could have given you 100 prompts, but it wouldn't have made any difference. You want the best. So I think these are the ones you'll use the most. So I have marketing and social media, guest communication, itinerary design, storytelling and engagement, problem solving on tour, sales and client outreach, tour operator tasks, travel education and training, tour narration and destination facts, and personal brand and business growth. So that would be marketing, including Facebook posts and Instagram and all of that too. So I hope this helps. I hope you find it. In fact, you've got to get involved in AI. Our business is changing, and this is what you need to do. So all the best.